Welcome to San Beda College Alabang Digital Library, powered by Odilo. Our Learning Resource Center has partnered with Odilo to offer ebooks, audiobooks, podcasts, and other types of digital content. We have sent a welcome email that provides your account username and a personalized link to modify your password. Done changing your password? Great! You may now access our digital library through our online public access catalog or using the link sanbeda-alabang.odilo.us. As you enter the home screen, you can now log in your account at the upper right corner. Once you're logged in, you will be presented with carousels or convenient scrolling shelves divided into categories such as databases, science and math, and more. Scroll up and down to see all categories and click the arrow on the side of the carousel to view other titles. Click any title on the carousel to quickly see additional information about the resource and preview the title. You can even immediately borrow the resource from this page. If you are looking for something specific, perform a search at the upper right corner of the screen. Search by author, title, publisher, subject, or all. Enter a search term and press Search. Browse for a title by applying filters on the right side. Then choose a format on the top of the title covers, such as ebook, audiobook, video, podcast, and more. Select the title that you want to see the detailed information and borrow or preview the resource. You can also add it to your favorites, add to list, and share it to other social media sites. Click Borrow to access the full text of the title. After borrowing, you have the option to read it in Uber Reader, which requires an internet connection, or you can download the resource and read it anytime, anywhere from Adobe Digital Editions. You can see the list of your borrowed resource by clicking User Area or your profile icon, then select Checkouts. You can also see your checkout history, monitor your real-time statistics, and more here. Easily return the borrowed title when you are finished by clicking Return. Do you want more? Download the Odilo app through Google Play Store, App Store, and Microsoft Store. Select Philippines for the country, then San Beda College Alabang for the library. Enter your username and password, then activate your account. You can now read or listen to your borrowed resource wherever you go. Start checking out titles today.